Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you turn off waitlists on your OpenTable app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just go above this photo, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list on your profile. And all you have to do so you go down, click here on account settings here, click on it. And you come to this list. So then you click here on communications here, then it's going to take you to this list here like you see now. Then you just go down and you come here to which list here updates, so clicking this sign here, then like you see color in this sign it's gone. That's mean which list updates turn off with us now or disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So before I forget, you go above, save, click on it, then it's going to save with you. So thank you for your watching.